long-term shifts in global weather patterns and temperatures, mostly driven by human activities that release greenhouse gases. How the community helps in mitigating the hazard caused by the climate change. We need to planting trees. It helps to avoid floods and soil erosion. Trees also absorb carbon dioxide from the air photosynthesis, storing the carbon in their wood, roots, and soil. They also provide shade, reduce urban heat islands, and support ecosystems that boost climate resilience, like Nara or Ipil-Ipil can help restore ecosystem. Planting mangrove, it protects coastlines from storms and erosion, support biodiversity, improve water quality, sequester carbon, and provide livelihoods for communities.